Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon and good evening. So your friend Kumar is back with a review of another good college in Karnataka, which is called PES College of Engineering, Mandya, and it is part of the same PES University which is in Bangalore, right? So this is one of the good colleges, and you see the NRF ranking 139. And so I'm going to cover the complete end-to-end process for this admission, fees, courses, hostel placement, all branches, right? And there is another video of mine on this, so you can check that for detailed campus and other details. So why we are doing, obvious reason, 139th rank in India in 2021 and 147th rank in India in 2020. So always it's been around 150 ranks in India, and it is the second rank in terms of ARIA in 2020, so which is for innovation. So as I said, this PES College of Engineering, Mandya, is is started in 1962. So it's a very old established college which has completed already 60 years, right? So and this college is affiliated to VTU, and it is an autonomous college under VTU. So it's approved by UGC and it's recognized by AICT. It's a NBA accredited and it's a NAC A grade institute, right? So everything you want in a good college, this it has everything. And in terms of campus, so it's a 62-acre big campus, and this location is actually somewhere between Bangalore and Mysore. So it's a just 60 kilo, it's a 70 kilometers I think from Mysore side, and in between Bangalore, right? This is the college address for students who are from COMEDK, who are from outside of Karnataka. They may not know this is very close to Bangalore and Mysore, right, on the same road, right? Now coming to the courses detailed review I have done in the other video. You can check that, but on high level, the focus is on the core courses offered, which is computer science, ECE, automobile, electrical, industrial, production, information science is there, and mechanical engineering is there. And I'm going to cover the complete placement details of each of these branches there, so that what is the how is that good and how much can I take that college. And so there is another video of mine on this which has a cutoff and all those things. You can refer their complete review there. This is more towards the fees and the placement branch wise, right? That is my focus, so that you don't. And there are two types of fees. It's a aided institute, so there will be aided fees. So if you see, this one is a aided, and these fees are very low. So if you can see, for the CET aided courses, the first year fee, the second year fees in the center part is 27,170, and 3,600 is the other fee, and total is 30,000. So that's what very low fees, 30,000 seats, right? It is for aided course, right? Similarly for SC/ST and quota fees is just 15,000. So this is the second category in this college called unaided fees. So this will be higher, right? So for the first year fees are always decided by KCET, COMEDK, that's why it's not there. But second year fees, it would be similar amount, but second year fees you see here 73,000 plus 3,000 is equal to 76,000. That is the unaided. That means it is still a KCET fees. This is applicable to KCET students, unaided category, 76,000. Similar fees for ST, SNQ quota, which will be lesser. Now this is the third category where this is applicable to management seat and the COMEDK quota. So if you see, the management fees for this college is 1,42,000, and for the branches like civil, EC, CIS, and the COMEDK quota fees, if you see, is for the branches, the same branches is 159, and COMEDK quota final will be 1.59 lakhs from the second year onwards, right? So that is main branches covered. Now you see, this college has a hostel facility both off campus and on campus. So this is off campus. So when we may say off campus, this facility is available 1 kilometer away from the campus, and it has 67 double and 3 quadrants. So total 146 students can be accommodated in this facility, which is just 1 kilometer, and there is a bus conveyance available from this, and you can even walk. It's just 1 kilometer. That is the off campus. This is the camp facility on campus, and this is inside the campus. So here if you see, the occupancy is 350 students, and same all facilities like are provided on the campus, which is other colleges provide. This is the PESCE girls in campus. So this is also in, so there are three type of, this is also inside campus, and here also 371 seats are available for the girls to students, and it also pretty has the same facilities which is there. Now coming to the training and the placement part, it's excellent placement, and the placements are good in top 3 branches, and then average, better than average placement for other branches. So let's see the placement trend over the 5 years, right? So this is the ongoing, you see the is the 458 students already placed in this year, and this year is just ongoing. It is not even completed. 450 unique offers, total offers are already there. So if you see your years, the red ones, 320, 424, 419, 450. So it's already always a offer, total number of offers around 450 to 500 at the college level, right? And it has been always increasing in the last 5 years. Similar trend is in internship. If you see the internship, they were just having 10 students got placed in internship, and it is constantly increasing. Now you see 225 students got the internship, right? Which is also a good trend, because it is considering 500 students, 500 600 students, 225 means almost 50% of students, to 40 to 50% students are getting internship. And this is what I said, the current batch, which is the graduating batch of 2022, we are in just in January, February, and next 4 months are there for placement, but still that 450 students are already placed. And these 450 students are placed this year in the companies, good companies like Kyndryl, IBM, Accenture, EY, DXC. You can see Cognizant, and this is a short list just for the picture, but the good companies are visiting this campus. And this is the CET code and the COMEDK. So this I missed earlier. So you see PESCE mandya.org, and this is the CET code and COMEDK, which you can note down. And you see 2 CET code, because one is aided, one is unaided. So aided is less cost or less fees, unaided is more fee, which is around 78,000, right? Now I will go to the branch wise placement. That is why you are looking here. So Csc branch, the most important or the most prominent branch is started in 1983, and it has both the graduate and the postgraduate program. That is BTech you can do in Csc, as well as an option of MTech also in Csc. These are the companies which are visiting for the Csc students, computer science students: DXC, IBM, Wipro, Cognizant. So you have shown some of the Indian names. Now these are some of the multinationals also on the same campus. Now if you see the CSC placement, computer science placements, it's also been constant, right? So the red line is what you can see, the total number of students placed, total offers. So this year, last year it was 82 offers. Previous to previous years, 138 offers, 130. So it's always 100 plus offers. Last year I think a little bit less offers were there, but constantly it's maintaining around 132, 139, 138 offers. Previous to previous years also 33 offers, and so on. So this is CSC. So you can take 70%, 70, 80% placement you can expect in this college. This is for another branch, which is now ECE, right? So if ECE is the second prominent branch in this college, for electronics ECE, if you see, its placement is also good. ECE 102 students got placed in last year, 102. Previous to previous year, the yellow bar, 104 students placed, and previous to previous year 88 students placed. So that is very good. Out of 120, 140 students, 102 students. So around placement 75 to 80% for ECE also. This is the third branch, Information Science Department. Now this branch is started in 99, but the number of students were very less. It's just 40 students. So if you see for the 40 students, out of 31 students who were eligible, 17 got placed. So 17 students, 15 students, 14 students. So I can say here, the placement percentage that now they are saying 85, it may be considered as a lesser 70-75% placement you expect in ISC. The next is the mechanical engineering branch. So mechanical number of students are very high, 138 students. You can see the the first bread one, but the placed are 47 students, right? 88 were eligible, but 47 were placed. So they are saying 50%, but it will be around 30 to 40% for mechanical engineering, because they are not considering the number of students who are applying lesser, right? So and a lot of students wants to go for MTech and all, right? So 47 students got placed is important. Now this is the next branch, industrial and production engineering. So if you see here, the one percentage of students placed is 55, they are saying, but the number of in students placed is in the blue. So you see Out in industrial and production, 11 student got placed, 13 student got placed, 12 student. So it's a 10 to 15 students get placed in this branch. So that means, your chances of getting placed is 35%. So you should be knowing that, so and this is common in all the colleges, so if you take this core branches, number of placements will be less. Now quickly coming to the automobile branch, right? So you have to see the orange line, right? So number of students placed were just 6 last year. Previous to previous year 10 students. Previous to previous year 13 students. So it's between 6 to 13 students in last 4 years. So your placement chances are very low, 10 to 20% chance. 20% chance is what you will get the job through automobile engineering in this college. And the next is triple E. You see electrical and electronics engineering, right? So for this one you have to see the total of, you seeing total offer is the purple one. So 28 students got placed it in triple E. Previous to previous year 31 students, previous to previous year 28, and the other one in the purple, right? So the around 30 students gets placed typically every year in this branch. So that's what I have. And the last branch, civil, is not encouraging. Civil only 3-4 students gets placed, so I not covered civil separately as a slide. But that's all I have covered, all the branches placement with the number of students for last 3-4 years, so that you have a good idea. And please do visit my another video which has the cutoff, course details, branches wise, and complete campus tour. So that will be useful. And thanks for watching, and please do like and subscribe this video.